In this video, we'll be showing you how to change the batteries in your Sensi thermostat. As you can see, our battery indicator is telling us it's time for a change. To remove the thermostat, all you have to do is simply grab it on both sides and pull it directly back towards you and it should pop out of place. The replacement battery is just your standard AA battery. I'll be leaving a link in the description if you need to pick some up. Changing the batteries is super simple. Just compress the spring, allowing the batteries to come free, and then you can slide them out of place. You will notice there are little grooves that hold the batteries in place that you will need to adjust for. As you can see, you got to kind of back it up and then slide it into the slot so it fits correctly. With the new batteries installed, now we can put the Sensi back on the wall panel. As you can see, there are 4 notches. These notches are going to correlate with little grooves on the back of the Sensi thermostat. Simply align them and push it directly against the wall and it should click into place. And that is how you change the batteries on your Sensi thermostat. Thanks for watching.